Welcome to our guide on how to speed up any computer in 2025. Today, we'll share essential tips that work on all PCs to enhance your performance. First, let's utilize Windows built-in tools like disk cleanup and defragmentation to remove unnecessary files and organize your disk. Next, manage your startup programs by disabling unnecessary applications that slow down your boot time. Ensure all your drivers and software are up to date. This guarantees compatibility and optimum performance. Let's look at performance settings. Adjusting these can help your computer run at its best. Uninstall any unused applications. This frees up valuable resources for what matters most. Consider increasing your RAM. More physical memory can significantly enhance speed, especially for multitasking. Upgrading to a solid-state drive, SSD, has tremendous benefits over traditional hard disk drives, HDD. It greatly improves boot and load times. Don't forget regular maintenance tasks, such as running antivirus scans and cleanup utilities to keep your system in top shape. In conclusion, regularly optimizing your PC can lead to a faster, more enjoyable computing experience. Start implementing these tips today,